What's up, everybody? Mikey Mullen, right here at Bullards Bar. Got some folks right here. This guy here knows my buddy Josh Elliott. Just watched my last videos with Josh and did some brown fishing, brown trout fishing. So, but we are at Bullards Bar Reservoir. Water is down quite a bit. Last time I was here, it was almost to the tree line. It looks like it's about 60 feet deep, less now. So, but me and Troy, me and this guy's out here, ready to get it on. Let's see what we can do. Again. Yeah, man. Break the line and lose my gear. Belly's on right away. Yeah, probably. I bet you the female. All right, how deep are we now? Back there. Okay. 75 and 45. Come on. It's been way too long since we've had a bite. So everyone sees what all Troy carries and uses. Here's all of Troy's secret weapons, y'all. Check it. Check it. Ooh, that's pretty.
Dan fly.
Dan fly. Flies by Dan. Check it out, guys. Got some fish on the screen. This is my lower downrigger, 75 feet. Look at this fish that went down to it. That's this pole right here. Let's see if something will hit it.
Nope. Fish on.
50 foot down. Oh, oh, come on. Oh, think? Oh, I lassoed him.
Yeah, you did. Nice one.
Oh, yeah, still a nice one. Pretty.
Yeah, very nice.
Nice. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Whew, that's a good one. 50 foot. Oh, you're on that. What up? What up?
Might be gone, might be gone.
Check it out, y'all. Rusty Chester, Top Coat Flashers out here with his boys.
What up?
What's up, bro?
What up?
You got a boatload.
No. You already got a boatload?
No, you do.
Oh, yeah, yeah. We got 40 fish to go catch.
That's right.
Right
Who's
on.
the boyfriend? Mikey?
All right, I'm just saying.
Hey, I got that weight, so don't forget.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're on. Oh, you're on.
Here we go.
You're on.
Troy's on right now.
How many you guys got?
3 in the box.
60 feet?
Oh, everywhere.
Oh, they're everywhere right here.
This is 37. This is 57.
Everything's working too.
Nice.
I'm running Apexes only. Oh, you got it?
Hey, you see some of those pictures of Richard? The color looks good on him.
Ooh, that's a big one. Yeah. That's a nice one there. That's 14 there. Oh, that's a nice one. Nice. Loading it up. What you using? That is a
Dan's Wiggle Fly.
small build wiggle fly from Dragonflies,
Yep.
Flies by Dan. Good stuff.
Oh yeah.
Good stuff. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo, look at those marks. Bro, there's fish everywhere.
Yeah.
That's nice. That was a nice fish too. Dude, 20 of those are gonna be amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, booyah! 70 feet. They're deep. I think the nice ones are deep. Ooh, that was feels good. It's hooked a little weird. Oh, there he goes. Dude, look at the gut on this thing. That's a big old female. It's only 12, so I'm gonna let her go. She's got a gut. That's probably the fastest one I've seen. Wow, super pretty. Super, oh God, oh. Super healthy. Super pretty. According to that little belly right there, probably full of eggs. Look at this one.
Oh yeah. Oh nice.
She's gone. Oh, take it. He's on there. Looks like a chunky one.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
Wow.
That's a super nice one.
Ooh, that's like rainbow color.
That's awesome.
Look at this. We'll start using this.
Yeah.
Ooh, check it, bro. Almost 14. 13 and a half.
Yep.
70. $14 to the boat already. What time is it? 8:30.
Yeah. 8:30.
14 to the boat. Oh, fish on, baby.
Nice.
70 feet. I think. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're on. Back.
Okay.
Doubles. We got a double. Yeah. Double on. We get a triple. Come on. Give us another one.
Bullards chaos.
Yes, sir. Oh, there goes mine.
Oh.
Short release. Ooh, that's a nice one. Oh, 2 short release.
What the heck? That's a nice one too. All right.
Double short release. That was awesome.
We're too good.
Today was the only day that we probably did laugh about that, right?
Otherwise, I would just be quiet and I'd be all pissed off.
That was awesome. Small fleet out here.
Yeah, for sure. Kind of what I expected.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Troy's on. Booyah, baby. Oh, I'm on too. Doubles again, baby. Doubles again. All right. Same scenario, different result. Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Same, right?
Look at this.
Oh, look at that.
Look at this.
Uh-oh.
Doubles, doubles.
Ooh, look at him.
Yeah.
Dude.
Oh, that's a nice one. I can see
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Shiny. That's a nice one. Get him in, get him in.
Let me try. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yours. Nice.
Oh. Thank you, sir.
Awesome. This one's just barely starting to
Sir.
get that hook jaw.
Yes, sir. Oh, come here, come here. This one might only be a. Oh, this one's barely 13. That's
Barely
nice
13,
though.
yeah.
It's nice and chunky though. That's a nice, pretty female. That's a nice, pretty female. That should be a good one.
1, 2.
12 in the box.
Yep.
Okay.
Awesome. That was fun.
All right. That was sick, dude. Look at that screen. Look at this screen.
Oh, jeez.
Look at that. That's what you want to see. Oh, you're on back. Yes, sir. That means I'm gonna get a bite here in a minute. We're gonna get our third triple.
Is he there? Can't tell.
Is he there?
Might just be Dodger.
Oh,
Don't feel any head shakes.
oh there he is.
There.
Little
Little guy.
kind of got a little.
Yeah, he's little. Come on, spin it.
It's like decent for a Kokanee, for Bullards typical.
Yeah, right.
Just
There
they're
he
not
goes.
typical right
There
now.
he goes.
They're not typical right now. Nice. Here we go. This is where we're at so far to the boat. A few of them have been pretty small, so we shook them off. Released a few. Keeping a bunch. Pretty. What were you using earlier when we were catching? What was your hot?
Well, that pink wiggle fly was hot.
Yep.
And then,
What was your other one?
I think it's the one that I still have on.
The green?
Oh, yeah. That,
Oh,
yep.
I'm on right here.
Yep, that green one that I broke. That was hot.
Oh, I got double.
Nice.
Wait. I thought I had one hit my bottom one. I'll say I don't feel him, he just kicked.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what
man.
the heck?
See that? Look at him.
Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Oh! Swim away! Swim away!
Wow.
Dang it! Oh!
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Oh. This feels heavy. Feels heavy.
Fat. Not that long, but definitely fat.
It is. Oh, it's definitely cooler too.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, feel it.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Hey, 13.
Nice. Yep. Oh, yep.
That's on that big
Oh,
one.
yeah.
That's on that
Oh,
big
yeah.
one too.
Oh yeah. Oh, release.
Oh.
Wow, that's some bend in that rod. What the hell you got going there? How deep was that one?
Oh, 55.
Huh. Maybe a trout?
Yours is bumped. I don't know if I just bumped you.
Well, I'm down there at 70. So
Oh, gosh,
hopefully
come
you're
on.
above.
This one actually got my armor a little hurt.
Yeah,
Come
I was
on.
gonna say, dude, you got good bend. I saw it. It's a big fish, whatever it is.
Oh, sorry. Oh.
All right, it's not as big as I thought. Damn, dude. It's a nice fish. Very nice. Probably the best one of the day, actually.
Oh, look, that's where I got him this second.
Oh, okay. All right.
It's a nice fish, though.
Yeah. Super.
13.
Nice.
On the big bug.
Yeah. He pulled hard the way he was hooked.
Yeah, it was.
Made it look like he was going to be a 15 easy.
Heck yeah.
Look at all the fish right here. Damn.
Make good.
Oh, there we go.
Yes, sir.
Every place we have lines, we're marking fish.
Come on.
Get them to stay. Oh yeah, good. Oh yeah. Oh, missed.
You mad?
Yeah, missed off. But why did I bite?
Oh, got him. Ooh, that's a chunker. It's got a humpback.
Oh yeah.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
How deep was he?
Oh.
Oh, he's shorty though.
He is a shorty, isn't he?
Yeah. How deep was that one though?
50,
Yeah, how's that 55 on that one?
47.
Oh. All right.
Don't break my lure. Don't break my lure.
I want to put him out here and I'll hold him or something. Or yours your back. Here's your back. Just dump him back in there. Those are nice.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 3 3 left.
17. That's really the only dark one. All right, we'll have to rinse your bag out.
Yeah.
Oh, you're on back. Oh, and release. And release. Yeah, buddy. Did you get him? Looks like it.
No head shakes.
Oh, there he
There
is.
he is. Oh, look how ready he is.
Oh. He's in the net. Oh, no, he's not. Now he's not.
Top of the face.
Huh? Oh, nice. Oh, look how pretty that is. Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Man, look how pretty this one is. Oh, whoa. Oh, maybe not. Hang on.
Little blood slinger.
Wow, look how pretty this one is. That's a male turning to go into spawn. So they're I guess pre-spawn right now. Typically the males meat kind of gets a little white when they get to that stage. So not that you can't eat them still, just not the same.
Chicken fishing. Woo!
That's right.
I watch your videos, brother.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Rock on.
Thanks, bud. You guys you finding them?
We're 4. How about you?
17.
Nice.
Go deep.
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 Okay, thank you.
55 plus. All right, finally got our limit. So we each got 10. Cleaning up the boat. Just wanted to kind of go over what was working today. Right here is what I use. What I normally use, right? Wonder Bread. Double-sided. This one's a double-sided glow. This one's a single-sided glow. But here's what I was using. This little trout magnet thing I tie up. It's like one of my little glow bugs I tie up. But these apexes early in the morning were killing it. This watermelon one was really doing good. And of course tipper and smith one. So, but yeah, take a look here. We got us a cooler full. Damn good day. Yep, yeah. Where's my phone? It's good enough. Let me take this picture. Look at that, bro. There's 3 more after this. Bring it. Okay. Some of these got, yeah. Oh. Here, a couple like that. Oh. Bro, look at this. Oh God, no waves. Oh God. No. All right, let me wipe the camera. Let me wipe my hands. Okay, where's... Oh. All right, one. Is it gonna fall?
Oh yeah.
Boom.
Jesus.
When we go to do whatever we want to do with them, we can. I got another pair. I have 2 pair.
One, 2. I'll catch it. Don't worry.
Did you guys find them or what?
Yeah, we got, dude, right over there. We got one here, and then over there we got like 20.
Dude, I pulled one in at 110 feet down.
You're doing 110 feet.
Because I wanted to see if I can get one down
We
there.
got one at 70, and then it was 51 the rest of the day.
110
So,
feet.
110.
It's crazy.
Yeah, man.
Hey, how deep are you guys running?
60, 70. He got one at 110. Yeah, but average I'd say 60.
Yeah.
Started at 40 and 50, we did pretty good.
Yeah?
Then it kind of died off.
Yeah.
We went 50 and 60.
Yeah.
What kind of step back are you running?
30 feet.
That's it.
That's it.
Not very far.
Yeah. But I would go like 60 to 70 feet. I mean, we're seeing them and
And you're only doing 30 feet step back.
yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
What's your speed?
1.1.
We're doing 1.2.
Yeah.
Perfect.
All day.
What's your handle on YouTube, dude?
Jig It Fishing 5710.
Is it J-I-G-I-T?
Yes, sir.
I've seen you, man.
I appreciate that, man.
That's cool to see you.
Thank you.
What colors are you using?
Green's working good.
Green.
I used white.
White?
I had 2 greens going off all day, and then last hour I switched to kind of a orange and silver spinner. It was a Paulina Peak orange and half orange, half silver.
Right.
Little blade with the beads behind it.
Where you guys from?
Folsom, he's from Colfax.
Colfax?
Yes, sir.
Hi, I'm in Lincoln.
Oh, nice.
Right on.
Lincoln.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
All right. Haha, no.
Did you find them? Did you get them?
Huh?
Did you find them?
How'd you guys do?
We limit.
Yeah, we guys did.
Yeah, this morning was pretty hot. So
Yeah, we saw you catch a bite.
yeah, it was awesome.
The captain slept in this morning.
Ah.
You know,
Yeah.
there's always someone to blame.
We only got 5.
Oh, you only got 5?
Yeah. Yeah.
You guys?
Deep, real
Yeah.
deep.
Oh, we started out at like 55.
Okay.
Yeah.
Went up to 45.
I caught the deepest one at 110.
110, huh?
Yeah.
It's the deepest I've ever caught one.
I mean, I caught them shallow too, like 45.
Multiple of
But
them.
I would say average was like 60, 65.
Yeah.
Dang. We were over the top. I fished 62 for like 15 minutes. That was
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like to stay below the schools. Just, you know, that thermocline's way down there.
Okay, it's that far down, huh?
It's down there. When the water's like 70, it's down there. 70 feet, 80 feet.
Orange hoochies and stuff.
Green worked good and white.
Lots of
Wow.
yeah.
Pink and orange, yeah.
Lots of green like that right there.
Nice.
Those dragonflies by Dan.
You guys, yeah,
Those.
Yeah, those things
Little
work
wiggle
good.
bill.
Yeah, watch your videos, man.
Yeah,
Keep
we'll
up the
see
good
you.
work.
I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much.
Take it easy.
Thank you, bud.
Later.
All right, we're out of here. We got Troy. Troy's over here dropping me off. I'm right over here off of Highway 20 at the 76 gas station. If you guys come to Bullards Bar, you come off of Highway 20 and you come down this road going towards Dobbins in Browns Valley. So, but we got our limits, and super good day to fish. Saw a lot of fans out there. Thank you for hollering at me. I appreciate it, guys. And until next time, we're gone.